is up with Rustoleum spray cans clogging all the time? All of my videos are to show you how to do things, to fix, restore, refinish, rebuild, repaint. But today, I'm making a quick video looking for your help. Let me explain my problem. Here I am making a new alley-picked wood sign. I shook the full can of blue Rustoleum paint and began spraying. As I was just about finished with the sign, the spray began sputtering right before it completely stopped.
I blew my stack!
The can is still well over half full. I even grabbed a new nozzle and tried it on the blue spray can. It's still clogged. This means that the clog is inside the can. I let it sit overnight. The next day, it started to sputter just a little bit. This happens to me all the time. It happens with all of the colors. It can't just be me, so I Googled it, and it wasn't hard to find other people having similar experiences. Here are some Home Depot reviews. Clogged nozzles. The can is full and won't spray. Nozzles are clear. Comes out clumpy. Every can is disappointing. Rustoleum spray cans, absolute garbage. I honestly can't remember the last time that I threw away a completely empty can of Rustoleum. They always seem to clog before I get to the end. I just started switching over to Krylon to see if this brand is any better. So far, after 2 cans of Krylon, I haven't had any issues. The Krylon spray also seems to have more pressure and a little better coverage. My experience with Rustoleum spray cans is not new. I've had this problem for years. I finally got fed up, and it got me to think, what are other people's experiences? My guess is that the internal tube or the inlet to the spray nozzle is getting clogged with paint particles. So I look forward to reading your experiences in the comment section of this video. I'm Tom, this is Alley Picked, and thanks for watching.